So today we are going to do a DIY section, and welcome back to Style by Sliza. I hope you've been well. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more content. Today we are dealing with DIY, and I've had this tribal dress for I think 2 years now, and I rarely wear it, so I'm thinking it's about time I do something with it to make it more to fit my personality so that I can get a lot of wear from it. So let's do the DIY. This is how the dress looks like. It is really long. Some people will be okay with it, but I want to change it to fit me. Hi, so previously I did do a video of DIY, and this is part 1 of the DIY. So I decided to I made two items out of that cloth. So you just see a preview. This is the first part. I made this short dress. That is how it looks. Yes. So today we are going to deal with styling this one, and we're going to style it in different ways, the things that I like, and I'm going to have so much fun. So I hope you have fun with me, and also make sure you check out my previous video. I'm going to link it above on Kenyan fashion, because I want to focus on that, because when I go online most of the time I don't find videos talking about Kenyan fashion or Kenyan fashion that has been documented. So I really want it to go. I want to be part of the solution. So I am documenting Kenyan history, and we're starting with this tribal dress. So let's get into the video with that. And on the first one, we are going to start with the neck scarf. I'm just going to tie it like that because I'm bougie and next. And it's simple. I just have these slip-ons, and voila. And this one is the second one. You're going to pair leather jacket with the neck scarf in a different style and with the dress. So this is edgy, a little bit of classy and bougie. And we are on the third look. This one is more of color. It has a purple color blocking, color blending, and all of that. So you throw on a cardigan. I chose white because it's neutral, it's easy, it's simple, and it's flattering. Not really flattering, it's just free size, and I like it. And I don't know, this is the 5th one or something. We are going to do it with a sweater. So this is if it's cold or if you want to wear it to the office. And voila, we are going to the office. And the 6th one. So this one I'm just going to do the first part of layering, and I'm going to add a half coat. And voila. And 4th one, this is what we are working in. On the last one, this one, it cinches in the waist for the statement belt, and we are doing a labeling part 2. And we are doing a layering piece with the pole neck in it. Yep, like it. And that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is part 1. I'm definitely going to reveal the second item that I made, because I made a dress and a top. It's not complicated. It's the simplest DIY ever. So I hope you like it. Please comment on the comment section and let's interact more. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post daily, and you can interact more, it can be more personalized, and our communication can be through the DM. You can follow me on Instagram at Slizamita or Facebook Slizabrianka. So until next time, peace out.